Isa sa pinakamahalagang birthdays ng anak mong babae, bakit worth it i-celebrate ang kanyang 18th birthday? May isang parent na nagsasabi sa akin, kailangan ba talaga ng debut? Ang mahal kasi, pwede namang simpleng birthday na lang. Pero pagkatapos ng celebration, nakita niya kung gaano kasaya ang daughter niya kasama ang family at closest friends. Doon niya na-realize, hindi pala kailangan bongga ang debut para maging meaningful. Here are 5 reasons why her 18th birthday is worth celebrating. Number 1, minsan lang siya magiging 18. It marks an important transition from being a teenager into a young adulthood. Number 2, hindi kailangang mahal ang debut. You can choose a smaller venue, fewer guests, simple decorations, at packages na pasok sa budget. Celebrate based on what you can afford. Number 3, it brings the family together. It's a special opportunity para magsama-sama ang grandparents, relatives, family, and closest friends. Number 4, you create memories that last a lifetime. Years from now, your daughter can look at her photos and videos and remember the people who celebrated with her when she turned 18. Number 5, it makes your daughter feel celebrated. Hindi na susukat sa laki ng party ang pagmamahal. Even a simple celebration can say, "Anak, proud kami sa iyo at sa young woman na naging ikaw." So parents, hindi kailangan mangutang o gumastos ng sobra para magkaroon ng meaningful debut. The best debut isn't always the most expensive. It's the celebration filled with love, family, and memories your daughter can treasure for the rest of her life. Minsan lang siya maging 18. Make that milestone meaningful.